Morgan.
Oh my God.
Morgan.
Oh.
What? Okay, wait. Listen.
Hello?
Is your refrigerator running?
Summer, I know it's you.
Then you better catch it.
You're responding.
Is your refrigerator open?
What time is it when the elephant crosses the fence?
Time to get a watch.
No, time to get a new fence.
Okay. Alright, let me talk to him now.
Shanae. Hey.
What do you want, Shanae?
You know what? You sound like my old. Oh no. You sound like my.
You sound like my cat.
Yeah.
My short, violent cat.
No, Summer, I said shut up.
Oh, you sound like a girl.
And a short kid.
Short kid.
No.
I can hear you. Blah 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 blah.
Shut up.
Can't tell what to do. You're not my mama.
Would you like your wings mild, medium, or hot?
You're retarded.
Mild, medium, or hot? Answer the fucking question.
I think your voice must have been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. Mike Crawl. I shouldn't have said that. That's just a random name.
No, he hung up on me.
Alright, we're gonna cut the video. I'm
No,
posting it on
wait,
YouTube.
no.